Hi, I'm Mandy, and here are some dance moves that you can learn. Now, you might want to do before you dance is stretch. So you do is you put your arms up and then you go down. And you touch your toes. Up, touch your toes. And if you can't touch your toes, then try to touch your toes. Okay, and then do this. And then go like this, and on for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Now it's time to hit the dance floor. Okay, you're first gonna do is, I like to do is go like this. You're gonna do is you're gonna march. And don't kick so hard on the ball. Just do it, and then go like this. You first want to do is go like this, and then in, and stomp your feet when you do it. Okay? So, ready, set, start like this. 2, 3, 4. Do it 1, 2, 3. Then you're done. Okay? And after that, you're going to do is you're going to put one hand in the air and go down like that. One hand, go down like that. And then jump it. Okay, so 2, 3, and do that 2 times. And then you're going to make a circle like this. Just go like this and curve it like this. And after that, then you're just going to do, you're going to put one leg in front and one leg in back. And you're just going to do this. And then you're going to go down, up, down. So down, down. Do it for 3 seconds and then switch to the other side. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there you have it. Now, you might wonder when you do a dance that you want to do is you don't think it's enough, and just one arm like this, and fold it in like that, and go to the side, and then go to the other side. Or you can go like this. Okay? If you think that's too hard, then just end like that. Okay? So let's get started. Now, ready, set, and 2, and stop, and 1, 2, together, and then circle, and circle, and 1, and shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Now, we're going to do it together. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, and together. And 1, 2, together. And circle, and circle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and together. 1, 2, and together. There. And there you have it. That's how you do these dance moves. Check out my videos at the Roblox Princess channel. It's the Roblox Princess. And there might be music videos about other people. That's awesome. So, and here I need to tell you some little rules that I have. Please do not say that you made up these moves, because I took my time to teach you guys this. So please don't tell anybody that you made up these moves up. Just say that the Roblox princess or Princess Candy 425. Or you can say Mandy Moore did. So, Um, remember that my videos about me anymore. You're not real. I'm just acting out as a person.